Very good morning, all of you. How are you all? Very good morning. So, after practicing set and relation, concept, question, everything, now we will do the propositional logic and predicate logic. This is the next important area. In propositional logic and predicate logic, whenever you are learning, then it is required means today I can see who are present. First of all, let me check those who are present here. What happened? Sunday sleeping going on. I am not sleeping, but you guys are sleeping. So from next Sunday I will not take class, next Saturday and Sunday. So next Saturday and Sunday I will not take class. I can see Srinivash, Ganesh, Muthu Kumar, Dimple, Baba Mohan, Shiny, Kishori, Sithal, Anil Kumar, Madhumita, Parkavi, Rajlakshmi, Jaya, Sathya, Dimple, Divya, Deepa, Manikam, Sri Ramaya, Lekka, Anuradha, Jaya Lakshmi, NK, Andhe, Srinivas. Then Virginia, I think new. Arman, Sathya, Ishwari, Nandini, Kishori with Rohit Sharkar, yes, Azil, Nandini, all are present here. So see, propositional logic is the confirm area. Always questions are coming from here. 3 to 5 questions. We discussed the previous year's analysis, and you saw that 3 to 5 questions are also coming from this area. And together, if you are thinking propositional logic and Boolean algebra together, Boolean algebra is also the topic from where means it is related topic of propositional logic, because here both there are some common formulas. That common formulas are using here also and in Boolean algebra also concept. And in the same way, if you are converting the propositional logic simplification into Boolean algebra format, then that is more easy for you. That will be more easy for you, and that's why here we will learn the propositional logic very carefully. It is completely logical subject. Okay, here it's not a theoretical subject, it is completely a logical subject. That's why you have to be very much logical and try to understand it logically. This type of question, there are lots of ways to solve. Different approaches are there to solve these questions. I will tell you how to solve, but it's not a fix that it is this approach may be easy for you, may be easy for me, maybe another approach will be easy for you. So it's your choice. You have to think in which approach I will do, and even also you can think your own way. You can think your own way also how I can solve the question. Okay, so it's a logic, and this logic will be good to do your paper 1 logical reasoning also. In paper 1 also the syllogism, logical reasoning, that unit is there, and paper 1 class is going to start on logical reasoning very soon. I hope within 2 to 3 days we are going to start the logical reasoning class also. Tulasi ma'am will take that class. But here be careful about your logic. Whenever your logic will be clear, your logical concept will be clear, then the logical reasoning will be also easy for you. Okay, so everyone concentrate here. So propositional logic, here the propositional logic is a declarative statement which have only two values, either true or false. It have only two values because it is not working with any in between values. Are you good? Yes or no? Whenever you are asking, yes Jyoti, hi, yes, good morning. So whenever you are asking that are you fine, yes or no, that is the answer. That is the answer. Yes. So either you have to say yes or you have to say no. In between any answer you cannot. That is called propositional logic. Now here the basic law. There are some basic law. Law of contradiction. Here there is a contradiction between true and false. If you are telling not true, then it is definitely false. If you are telling not false, then it is definitely true. Not we are writing negation like this way or this way. This is the way how to represent the negation. This is the way, either this way or this way you can represent the negation symbol. Okay, this is the way of representation of negation symbol. This is there is nothing absolute truth in the world. Actually in world you cannot say anything absolute truth. Is there anything absolute truth? Absolute truth is nothing, but here it is possible. Okay, excluded middle means, what is called excluded middle? In between true and false there will be nothing. In between true and false there will be nothing. That is called excluded middle. Now here are some symbol. You have to be habituated with some symbol. These are the some symbols. And in Boolean algebra you understand that and, how the and is working. And this symbol is in propositional logic we are representing like this, or we will represent like this. Not we will represent like this. Implies we are representing like this, and bidirectional we will represent like this. This is the representation. The symbols are very important because the question will ask with the symbol. They will ask the question with the symbol only. So you have to be habituated with symbol. Otherwise you cannot handle it. Okay. So P implies Q gives the false value. When it is giving the false value, you can see normally and or not, you all know. And means what? Whenever you are writing and, then when both are true, then only and will give you 1, otherwise all are 0. So 0 0 is also 0. You can see this and table. This is called conjunction. And means conjunction and or means disjunction. And is giving you 0 0, that is 0 0 1 1. It is not conjunction. This is disjunction. This is or table. This is or table, and that is and table. This is disjunction. Okay, this is disjunction, this is conjunction. Disjunction means what? That is or, and conjunction means what? That is and. Okay, so conjunction and disjunction only the, this is and gate, or gate, this is or gate, and this is and gate. According to that it will work, because when both are true then only it is true, otherwise all are false, and when both are false then only it is false, otherwise all are true. That is going on in conjunction and disjunction. That is very easy, you all know, right? Next one is the implies. Implies, you have to understand very carefully how implies is working, and implies is the very important part. P implies Q means if I am live, then I will take the class. Okay, now some of the students are asking me this type of questions also. Ma'am, where is the guarantee that you will continue the class? Where is the guarantee you will complete the course? So I am telling, yes, the guarantee is there if I am live and if I am not ill. If I am physically fine, I will fight till the end. If I am physically able to take the class, I will take the class and I will complete the class. So that is only I can tell the guarantee. Yes, this is the guarantee. Yes, if I am fine, if health, I am healthy mentally, mentally, so I cannot say physically if I am healthy, and if there is a not very big problem in my life or in my everything is fine, then definitely I will take the class and I will complete the course. So that is the if else, right? This is called if else. P implies Q. If P, then Q. Okay. That does not mean that I am taking class means everything is fine. That does not mean that. If I am fine, then definitely I will take the class. I am taking class means everything is fine. That does not mean. Maybe that does not mean that, right? Because there are lots of problem going on, still I am taking the class. So always remember, P implies Q. That does not mean that Q implies P. P implies Q. That does not mean that Q implies P. Don't mix up. Don't mix up it. Don't try to relate two things together. It is a very important understanding in your life also. P implies Q does not implies that Q implies Q. If this, then I will do that. That does not mean you are doing this means it is already satisfied. Okay, opposite one is not always true. Clear? P implies Q, Q implies true. P is very important, and you have to be very clear about that. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Yes. Please reply, guys. Please reply. Yes. Now see that P double implication. Here is the P double implication. What is the meaning of double implication? Yes. So the meaning of double implication is P implies Q and Q implies P. Meaning of double implication is P implies Q and Q implies P when both are true. Vice versa means when both are true. That is called double implication. I am telling that if this is true, then this is true. If P is true, then Q is true. If Q is true, then P is true. Okay. If I am doing this, then you are doing this. If you are doing this, then I am doing this. Then both are trying to say, that is called double implication. This is the meaning. Bidirectional. Bidirectional means both are satisfied here. Both are satisfied here. Okay. And here P and Q, you can see how the truth table is working. How the truth table is working in P implies Q. That is 0 0. P and Q both are 0, then both are true because both are same. Okay. P false, still Q is 0. P still Q is 1. It can be happen. Now you will ask me how it is possible. P implies Q. P is false but still Q is true. Why it is happening? P is false, still Q is true. Here it is possible how that suddenly something is happening, right? Suddenly something is happening. If maybe you are telling that if today if you are preparing for exam, okay, you did not prepare well but still you passed the exam. You did not prepare well but still you passed the exam. Maybe luckily some of the question you did and some of the luckily it was correct and you passed the exam with your luck factor. It can be possible, by chance something is possible. That's why here not PQ. When P is false, Q is true, then also P implies Q. P implies Q is also possible. But P is true, Q is false, that is never possible. P is telling that I am true means I am prepared well. You are 100% prepared. There is no not a 0%. You did your preparation well. But you fail the exam, that is never possible. You prepared well, you attempt the exam well, but you fail the exam, that is never possible. That's why P true, Q false. That will be P implies Q is false here. Okay. So very important, this P implies Q is very important. And that's why the P implies Q, we are writing how. Write down this formula in your notebook throughout the propositional logic. This formula will be required. This formula is required, that is P implies Q means not P or Q. Not P or Q. If you put this in here, then you will see all are satisfied. This is 0, 0. Not P means 1 plus 0, that is 1. That's why it is 1. Here if you are taking this is 0, this is 1, then also it is 1. If you are taking this is 1, this is 0, then also this is 0. True and false, then also it is false, right? And after that true will be also true. So this formula, everyone write this formula in your notebook. Throughout this propositional logic, you need this formula. Okay? Is this clear? P implies Q. Everywhere you have to apply it. P implies Q. I am walking but I am not moving. It's not possible. Yes, definitely it's not possible. You are walking and you are not moving. That is not possible. Is this clear? Clear to everyone? And bidirectional means when both are same, then only that is true, otherwise not. Bidirectional, when both are same. When both are false, then also it is true. When both are true, then also it is true. Both are same. P is also same value, Q is also same value. Then only we can say bidirectional is true. So bidirectional you can do like P implies Q and Q implies P. Okay. Yes. So bidirectional, whenever there will be bidirectional, how to do it? You can write it P implies Q and Q implies P. P implies Q and Q implies P. Means you can write not P or Q and not Q or P. This is the way you can simplify this P double implication Q. This is the way you can simplify this P double implication Q. Clear? Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Okay. Now see. Now these are the three terminologies, very important. Questions are coming, question will ask, repeated questions are coming from here. What is tautology? What is valid? Tautology or valid or logically true or identically true. Everything is same. satisfiability or contingency, unsatisfiability or contradiction. Okay, these are the three rules. These are the three rules here. What are the three rules? Tautology means when all combinations are true or expression gives result 1. What is the meaning? What is the meaning, ma'am? Meaning is that if I am taking an expression like P or Q, P or Q, is this valid or tautology or what? So I can solve this problem in two ways. That is, either I can take PQ truth table and P or Q. What will be happen? 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So P or Q, what is happening? This is 0, all are 1. Is this stuck? No, right? No, it's not stuck. So here it is PQ 0 1 0 1 0 1. You can see here. Is this all true? In the truth table, this truth table, all combination, is it all true? Is this all true? This is not all true. As this is not all true, that's why it will be not valid. As this is not all true, that's why it will be not valid always, and not always we cannot say it is tautology. Whenever your complete truth table is coming true, whenever your complete truth table is coming true, then only you can say that it will be valid, otherwise not. Got it? Got it? Yes. And after solving the expression, now if I am doing it P or Q or not P or not Q, like that, if I am taking P or Q or not P or not Q, then what will be happen? Then if you are solving this in a truth table, or if you are doing it like P or Q, how I can write? You can write it in Boolean algebra format like P plus Q plus P bar plus Q bar. Right? You can write like this. P plus P bar plus Q bar. Yes. And if you are solving in truth table also, then also you will see all 1 will come. Because P plus P bar is 1, Q plus Q bar is also 1. That's why it will be 1. Okay? Clear? 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Yes, thank you, Jyoti. Thank you. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Thank you. So you can see, if I am taking this expression, the expression what I took, P or Q or not P or not Q. In this expression, you will see that in the truth table, if you are telling the truth table of this expression, then also all will come 1. And after solving this expression, you will get 1 here. Okay. After solving the expression like this way, you will get 1 here, and that's why we can say it is tautology, valid, logically true or identically true. Got it? Two way. There are two way. Either we can think about truth table, all the truth table is giving you 1 or not, or you can solve the expression, and after solving expression, if you are getting answer 1, if you are getting answer 1, then it will be tautology. Got it? Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Now see, satisfiability or contingency. That means true or false, combination of true and false. Just now what I took, that is P or Q. If I am taking P or Q, P or Q was coming the combination of 0 or 1. Combination of 0 and 1. Okay. Combination of 0 and 1. Arman, this is just Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra or and. This is Boolean algebra or. Nothing else. What to repeat? In Boolean algebra, whenever you are doing or truth table, how the or truth table is working? Two variable. If you are taking PQ, there are true variable, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. In Boolean algebra, if you are doing, then P or Q will be what? 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. That is plus. You are doing plus, P plus Q. Or means plus, and means multiplication. 0 0 is 0, 0 1, everyone 0 1, or truth table and truth table, XOR truth table, XNOT truth table. These are very basic of the computer science. Please do the basic fast. Definitely this is the very basic. Yes. Now here what you have to do, the satisfiability and contingency. You can see that satisfiability means expression gives any value other than 0 1. You can see that here the expression will be P plus Q only. Can you simplify it more? Can you simplify it more anyhow? You will be not able to simplify it more. Your result will be P plus Q only. So this expression is giving you the in terms of variable. You are getting result in terms of variable. 0 also not coming, 1 also not coming. Here you can see 1 was coming. And your truth table is the combination of 0 and 1. Combination of true and false. This truth table is the combination of true and false. That's why it is called satisfiability or contingency. Got it? Very important, guys. I am telling you, and logic is little bit different. You have to be very much logical, otherwise you cannot understand anything and you cannot score here. It is a 100% confirm area from where always questions are coming. Okay, next one is unsatisfiability or contradiction. Unsatisfiability or contradiction. Ma'am, satisfiability is if there is minimum one true, or contingency is neither tautology nor contradiction. Satisfiability is if there is minimum one true and contingency is neither tautology nor contradiction. अच्छा, satisfiability minimum untrue and contingency is neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay, means you are telling that. Okay, Rohit, I will check that. If this is, then I will add that also. Thank you for your addition. I will check it. But see that this is satisfiability and contingency, both are actually same. Is it satisfiable? Combination of true and false. This is called contingency. Achha, wait 1 minute. As you are telling, let me confirm. Is there any difference? Till now I did not get any difference. Till now though I did not get any difference, that is same, but as you are telling, a contingency in which both yes, you are correct. You are correct. Very good. Very good. The difference between I am telling. So you can see that a contingency formula in which the both some true and some false. Just now I told that it is a combination of true or false. Satisfiability means it is a contingency means, yes, I am telling here, contingency means here whenever we are coming to contingency, that is P or Q. Just now whatever we did in P or Q in truth table, you are getting that some true and some false, right? There are some true, some false. We got that some true and some false. Now, what is the difference between satisfiability and contingency? What is the difference between satisfiability and contingency? Then the contingency difference is that this is the difference between contingency. You can see that contingency means here to just now we did contingency. Satisfiability means said to be satisfied if it has true value for at least one. At least one. So that is actually both are coming same, right? Here what it is telling? Here if you are coming the difference, if you are thinking about the difference, theoretically if you are thinking, then there will be little bit difference, but practically is there any difference? Practically is there any difference? Think the difference. Thanks for asking this question, Rohit. Thanks for asking this question. Here we are trying to find out the difference between contingency and satisfiability. What is the difference between contingency and satisfiability? What contingency is telling? Contingency is the formula in which both some true and some false. Means what I told, the combination of true and false, that is called contingency. The combination of true and false. So whenever you are taking that PQ, right, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, if you are taking, then in P or Q what you are getting? This is 0, other than that all are 1. So is it a contingency or not? Yes, this is a contingency, right? This is a contingency. Now what is satisfiability? Satisfiability is the compound statement when we can say satisfied if it has at least one true. If it has at least one true, then we can say satisfiability. So ultimately here whenever it is the some true some false, then to definitely it will be also satisfiability, right? It will be also satisfiability. So every contingency we can say it is satisfiability, right? So theoretically there is a difference. Theoretically definitely there is a difference, that at least one true will be there, and it is all combination of true and false. Now if I am taking all false, in a truth table all are coming false. If all are coming false, then definitely this will be not satisfiable also, and this will be not contingency also. So that's why you can understand that the satisfiability or contingency ultimately here combination of true and false. In a easy way, for a simplified manner, that's why I have written that expression give any value other than 0 or 1, and it is a combination of true or false. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Yes. Yes, Rohit. Kind of same, but theoretically there is a little bit, theoretically definition little bit difference. Clear to everyone? Yes. Whenever some doubts are coming, questions are coming, or if you know something more, definitely you can share. I am always open to accept any doubt, and I am always open to learn also. Definitely. Here you are the students, those who are very much educated student, and definitely if you have something to add, then you can add. Yes. Unsatisfiability. Unsatisfiability means what? That is all false. Just now we did it has at least one true. If all are false, then definitely it will be unsatisfiability. Or contradiction. Contradiction means expression give result 0. Expression give result 0, that is called contradiction. Right? Clear? These all are clear to everyone. Bhavani, tautology, all true, unsatisfiable, all false, satisfiable, true plus false. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Correct, Bhavani. This is clear to everyone? Yes. Yes. It's a syllogism I am coming later. Before that, let's do some question. After that, we will do the syllogism. So here are some formula. Yes. So here are some formula and the concept. You can see that logical equivalence, the compound proposition PQ are called logically equivalent if we are telling P double implication Q. P double implication Q, or we can write like P double means like that 3 line. 3 line means it is called equivalence. Okay. This symbol also we can use, or we can use this symbol also. That is, I already told that P implies Q and Q implies P. P implies Q and Q implies P. Then we can say this is logically equivalent. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now you can see that logical equivalence here. These are the formulas, very important formula. And this same formula will be required for your Boolean algebra also. For the Boolean algebra also you need this same formula. So that's why very carefully remember it and understand it. And it is very easy actually. P and Q means what? P dot means multiply 1, that is definitely P. P dot 0, that is multiply 0. What it will be? That will be 0. But here what you are doing? P plus 0. P plus 0 or means that is P. Here whenever I am doing P plus 1, this is very important. Anything plus 1, anything plus 1 is always 1. Don't think that I am doing P plus 1 means what it is. Is it P? No. Anything plus 1 will be always 1. Whatever infinite thing is there after that 1, then it will be 1. And whenever you are simplifying an expression, your target will be, if I am able to get any 1, If I am able to get any 1, then that will be 1. This simplification will be required for your Boolean algebra also and for your propositional logic also. Together, if you are learning these two things, then you are able to get confirm the marks. So that's why think it together. Okay. So you can see anything plus 1. I am taking that P bar plus Q plus maybe R bar plus 1. That is 1. Because anything plus 1 will be 1. Okay. Very, very important. And if you are doing P dot 0, anything dot 0 multiply with 0 will be definitely 0. Definitely 0. That is called dominance law. The name of the laws are also important. Previously they asked question from the name of the laws also. From the name of the laws also they are asking questions. So now name of the laws are also very important. Idempotent law. When I am doing P plus P, don't do that ki ma'am P plus P means 2P. Sometimes students are doing mistake. P plus 2 means 2P ma'am. P dot 2 dot means P square ma'am. It's not math, okay? Don't relate with math. It is not that math. It is we are working with only 0 plus 1. So P plus P means either 0 plus 0, that will be 0, or it is 1 plus 1, that will be 1. Don't do that 1 plus 1 is 2 ma'am. Here you are getting confused. 1 plus 1 is 2 ma'am. Why 1 plus 1 is 1? Because here other than 0, 1 any value is not there. 0 means true, 1 means false. So true plus true is always true. True plus false is always false. True plus true, any how many number of 1? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, whatever you are telling, that will be 1. Don't be confused here ma'am. Here so you are telling P plus P is P. Why? P plus P should be 2P ma'am. Don't do that. It's wrong. Because it is logic. It is Boolean algebra. It is propositional logic where we are working with only where they are working with 0 or 1. Other than 0, 1 any value is not there. That's why here P plus P is P only. P dot P is P square. No, P dot P is P only. Got it? Clear? Clear? Don't do the mistake. Ma'am, P plus 1 is P. No, P plus 1 is 1. Anything plus 1 is 1. Anything plus 1 is 1. Very, very important basic concept. Students are doing mistake here. Don't do mistake. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Here other than 0, 1 any values are not allowed in Boolean algebra or propositional logic. Yes. Okay. Okay. No. Now here the double negation law means double. If P bar then again bar, P complement then again complement, then it will be P. Because previously what is going on, see that P complement then again complement means P was 0. 0 complement means 1. 1 complement means 0. So that is ultimately P. 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0. So P double complement will be P itself. P double complement will be P itself. Right? Yes. Clear? So this is called that double negation law. Commutative, that is P plus Q means definitely Q plus P. And P dot Q means definitely Q dot P. That is called commutative law. Associative law. Associative law means here we are writing what? P plus Q plus R. P plus Q plus R. That is we can write P plus Q plus R. No problem is here. If I am writing P dot Q dot R, I can write that P dot Q dot R. Same thing. So this is called associative law, means it is in bracket where I am writing the bracket, that will be always same. These are the laws, are very important. Main concept is this one. I hope it's clear, and must remember it. Confirm topic of computer science, from where you will get the law, get the question. Distributive law, that is distribution is going on. What is the distribution going on? Here you can see P plus Q plus R. Here I am doing P plus, here Q plus R. Right, so whenever I am writing it, I am simplifying it, then it will be P plus Q, and here the and was there, P plus Q and R, means it is P plus Q dot R. It is actually like that, P plus Q dot R, that is and. Means I can write this P plus Q dot P plus R. And another one, this one is what? P dot Q plus R. That is, I can write P dot Q plus P dot R. This simplification is also very important simplification, and that is called distributive law. This is called distributive law, very important law, distributive law. Okay. Next one is most important law, that is De Morgan's law. For the simplification, everywhere the De Morgan's law will be required. Any time for simplification, De Morgan's law will be always required. So De Morgan's law, how this is working? De Morgan's law, whenever you are taking double, that is P dot Q bar, P dot Q bar, you can write P bar plus Q bar. The addition, multiplication will be changed to addition, and whole bar will be changed to P bar and Q bar. Another one is P plus Q whole bar. This is, you can write as P bar dot Q bar. Plus will be changed to dot, dot will be changed to plus, according to De Morgan's law. That is very important. Father of all law, yes, exactly. De Morgan's law, very important law. Everywhere you have to utilize this and remember it. You have to remember. If you are not trying to remember, then you cannot do it. Okay. Absorption law, absorbing, it is absorbing everyone. How it is absorbing? I am writing P plus P dot Q, that is actually P. P plus P dot Q, that is actually P, means P is absorbing everyone. Okay. Even also if you are writing opposite one, that is P dot P plus Q, then also it will be P. This is called absorption law. Negation law. Negation law means what? If I am writing P plus P bar, that is 1. If I am writing P dot P bar, that is 0. Because the complement, if I am doing 0 dot 1, that will be 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 0 dot 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. That is called negation law. Very important. Very important. And that's why we are writing what? P plus P bar equals to 1 and P dot P bar equals to 0. Yes, clear? Is this clear? These are very important laws. Without these laws, you cannot go ahead for simplification of propositional logic and Boolean algebra. Both simplification, for the both simplification, these are the laws you have to remember. And we will do practice of Boolean algebra and propositional logic simplification also. Today learn the concept. I will ask you some question, and tomorrow will be only the practice session for simplification of Boolean algebra and propositional logic. Okay, ठीक है. Today learn the concept first. Today learn the concept first and formulas first. Then we can apply this. So this is also your very important formulas. You can see the formulas: logical equivalence, conditional statement, logical equivalence, bidirectional statement. So many important formulas. And from here, ultimate important one is this one. Ultimately, if you are able to remember this, P implies Q is not P or Q. Using this formula, all types of problem you can solve. Using this formula, all types of problem you can solve. Okay, and this is another one. P implies Q. P implies Q means we can write not P implies not Q. Not P implies not Q. Here P and Q means not P implies Q, and it is implies. Okay, P and Q, that is we can write like this. Negation P implies Q means it is opposite. Negation, whenever I am doing negation, because what it is very important, understand it. Negation P implies Q. If I am doing, then what it is? Negation not P or Q. Whenever negation is multiplied with this one, then it will be what? Double negation P. And always at the time of multiplication, whenever you are doing negation with or, then that is changing to and. And whenever you are doing negation with and, then that will be changed to or. Very important, remember that. Negation or will be changed to and, negation or and will be changed to or. That's why this was or, that will be changed to and. And before this another negation will come, negation Q. That's why it will be what? P. Double negation means P and not Q. This is the way you are getting this P and not Q. Okay, clear? Clear? Yes. Difference between tautology and proposition, these are all whatever expression you are writing, that is proposition. Under the proposition we are trying to find out it is tautology or not. There is proposition is the all whatever you are learning, that is completely proposition. Proposition is a expression what you are trying to put, a expression you are trying to express a statement with expression, that is called proposition. And out of that there are, is it tautology or not, is it contingency or not, that is we are trying to satisfy. Right, ma'am, you wrote in satisfiability or contingency expression give more value other than 0 or 1. More value, not any value other than 0 or 1. It is not clear. Must come either instead. No, it is not. If you are trying to solve any expression like that, Rajlakshmi, you are very late, means there only I discuss. You are try to come live. Try to come live, Rajlakshmi. You are not live. You are back. Actually, I think she is late. She is watching late. She is watching late, and that's why she is asking that question. I think so. So you are solving a expression. Just now I told that yes, p plus q. If I am writing p plus q, you are writing p plus q. P plus q means you cannot get 0 or 1. Here the answer will be definitely p plus q only. I will give you expression, then it will be more clear to you, everyone. So these are the laws. Just you can simplify and you can understand that in this way. Just by using this formula, all this formula will come. You can try to do that. You can try to explore it, and you will see that yes, these all are coming ultimately from this formula. Okay. And here are some more formulas or modus ponens, modus tenens. Than that, first do the question. Then your all concept will be clear. Do this question. Which of the following is not a tautology? Your all the concept will be clear here. Your all concept will be clear here. And I can see those who are watching, you forgot to click on like button. I hope you like this class, and that's why you are watching till now. So definitely you can click on like button. If you click on like, I am feeling little bit energy. Your every like is giving me more motivation, giving me more energy. A positive vibration is coming to me. Yes, with the like, whenever that vibration is coming, that vibration is coming to directly me, and I am feeling more energy and more motivation. Nowadays every day I am sleeping 4 hours. 4 hours I am sleeping every day. Every day nowadays I am going to sleep 12. After 12 again I wake up. In between also, after going to sleep also, I am not able to sleep because lots of stress, pressure. With that I am going to bed, and that's why I am not able to sleep. But still I am trying to wake up every day, and I am trying to come to the class morning, so that yes, I promise you, so I want to keep my promise. So you can press on like button at least. You can press on like button. That will motivate me. Okay, answers are coming. I can see Lekha, Dimple, NK giving answer. I need answer from everyone. I need answer from everyone. I can see the answer from Lekha, Dimple. I need answer from everyone. Achha, everyone is giving answer B. Everyone is giving answer B. Achha, B, C. Dimple is telling C. Which one is correct? See that here. Now how to find out? Here I told you there are two ways. Either you can take that left hand side and right hand side, is it coming same or not? If these are both coming same, then definitely that will be tautology. Okay. So you can see easily you can see it is asking which one is not a tautology. It is what? It is A implies B. A implies B and B implies C. It is the transitive, right? It is transitivity. We learned that whenever in the set theory you learn that A implies B and B implies C means that is A implies C. That is the property of transitivity. So from the property of transitivity directly I can write A implies C. That is definitely valid and tautology, right? Ultimately it is implies that, no problem. Yes. Next one here, A and B and C. This is the way how to approach. See that B is little bit big one, so leave it for now. Try to think about C. Logically you can think A and B and C. Whenever it is one, that is A is also 1, B is also 1, C is also 1, definitely to make it 1, everyone should be 1. And if these all are 1, then definitely C plus A will be also 1. Definitely. As I am telling, if this is true, then definitely it will be true. Logically, definitely it will be true. So definitely this is also tautology. Now think, A implies B implies A. If A is true, then B implies A is true. Yes, definitely, because when A is 1, then B implies 1, that will be 1. That will be true. So that's why it will be also tautology. Which one is not tautology? I can see this is also tautology, this is also tautology, this is also tautology. So definitely this will be not tautology. This is the one way you can think. Another way by expression. You can think by expression also. If you are trying to solve this in expression, how to solve? Here A implies B implies A. You can think this one as P implies this one as Q. So what you learn? P implies Q is not P or Q. Means you can write it not A, that is not P, or Q, that is B implies A, that is B implies A. Now again this B implies A, you can do like that, it is A. Now not A, or again I can write not B or A. Now what it is? Not A means I can write A bar plus this is what? B bar plus A. That is actually A bar plus B bar plus A. Now this is actually what? A bar plus A bar plus B bar. A plus A bar plus B bar means actually 1, because A plus A bar is 1. Then 1 plus B is 1. 1 plus anything is 1. So you are getting expression result 1. The expression is giving you result 1. And we know that whenever expression giving me result 1, then that is tautology. This is also another approach. One way you can think logically. Another way you can try to solve like this expression way. In this expression way also you can try to solve, so that you can get. Same way you can try this one also. Same way you can explore this one also, like not A or B, again and not B or C, then implies again not A or C. Again you can think this is my total P, this is my total Q. You can express, you will see that you will get 1. You can try, and I will suggest you, those who are doing first time, you can try with this one, because whenever you are trying to solve like this one, then your concept will be more clear. This one also you can try. You can think like that, this is P, this is Q, then it will be totally, you can think like that, it will be not P or Q. You can try to explore. As it actually coming 1, yes, it will come 1. Okay, whenever you are trying to solve like this, then you are getting more clear idea. Your idea will be more clear. Got it? Clear? Okay, you can try. You can try in your home, that will be better. This is your home task. First clear your idea, then you can solve more question. Here do this. Which of the following are equivalent? What will be the answer? Is this clear? The approaches are clear. Logically you can think how, and by expression how you can think. Yes. Till now I can see 79 live learners are there and I got 59 like. Okay, the 20 students don't want to like. Okay, you can dislike. Okay, now everyone is telling the answer. Yes, C. So exactly here, whenever you are doing it, then which option is correct? Yes. So you can see that definitely this will be the correct answer and this will be the correct answer. Which are equivalent? So you can see it is, the one is actually what? That is actually P plus Q bar. This is what? This is what? That will be, I can write P bar dot Q. P bar dot Q and then whole bar. So using De Morgan's law, I can do, right? Using De Morgan's law, that is what? P double bar plus Q bar, that is actually P plus Q bar. Same, 2 is also same. Now if I am coming to 3, how I can write 3? This is actually what? This is actually P dot Q plus P dot Q bar plus P bar dot Q bar. That is actually like this. So it is what? Can I take a common from here? It is PQ plus PQ bar plus P bar Q bar. This is actually this one, right? Yes. So it is actually PQ plus PQ bar plus P bar Q bar. Now can I take a common from here? Can I take any common from here? Try to do that. If I can take a common, I can take common from here and it will be Q plus Q bar plus P bar Q bar. Now Q plus Q bar is 1. Q plus Q bar is 1 means it will be P dot 1 plus P bar Q bar. P dot 1 means what? P plus P bar Q bar. So remember one thing, A plus A bar B bar is A plus B bar. It is also a formula. It is also the formula. Okay. A plus A bar B bar is A plus B bar. Means actually it is A plus A B bar. A plus A B bar is this. So A plus A bar B bar is A plus B bar. We can write that. So that's why it will be P plus Q bar. This formula is very important formula. You can remember that A plus A bar B bar is, it is actually A plus B bar, or you can write like that, A plus A bar B is actually A plus B. Okay, this formula, from this formula only we can get this one. This is also a very important formula for simplification. For simplification, A plus A bar B is A plus B. A is dominating this one. So from here you are getting P plus Q bar also. So all are same. This is also same. This is also same. This is also same. I already got the result. So definitely 1, 2, 3 will be same. And this will not come same. Because if you are doing that, P dot Q plus it will be P dot Q bar plus it will be P bar dot Q. if you are trying to solve this, it will come, if I am taking common from here, it will come q plus q bar plus p bar q. So it will be p plus p bar q. That is actually, it will be p plus q. It will come p plus q. That is not same. And that's why it is not coming same. So your answer will be 1, 2 and 3. These are correct. Clear? Clear? This is the way you have to. Can we apply truth table? Vinita, applying truth table is not good, because truth table will, how much truth table you will do? 3 variable, 4 variable. 3 variable means you have to make 8 combination. 4 variable means you have to make 16 combination, and that will be a very much hectic task in exam hall. Definitely don't go for truth table. Try to understand how I can solve using equation. This is the easiest way. Equation solving practice is the best way. Equation solving practice is the best way. If you are solving using equation, that will be always the best way. Okay. And now I hope you can understand why always other than 1 or 0. I was telling, right, that key expression can be other than 0 and 1. Yes, yes. So you can see here, this expression is giving you other than 0 and all the expression is giving you other than 0, 1. Okay. Yes. Hi, you can put the value also, definitely 0, 1. See that 0, 1 values whenever you are putting, that is also truth table. Rohit, if you are putting 0, 1, that is also truth table. And I told that, yes, if you are able to do it in your mind by putting value, then you can do. There are 3 ways. Using truth table also you can do. Using expression solving also you can do. By thinking logically also you can do. By thinking logically, is it coming or not? So there are different approach to solve the question. So whatever your choice you can do, but it is the safest approach. This is the safest one. By solving expression, if you are doing, it is the safe one. So I will suggest, try to do by solving expression, or the sometimes logically. Sometimes you can do logically. It's depending as per the question, how the question is. Sometimes if you are putting value, then it will be more quick. Okay. ठीक है, clear? Clear? Yes. हाँ, yes, these are all satisfiability or contingency. These all are actually satisfiability or contingency, because here you are not getting 0, here you are not getting 1. These all the values you are getting p plus q bar, p plus q bar, here you are getting p plus q. So these all the expressions are what? These all the expressions are ultimately contingency or satisfiability, right? This is not tautology, this is not contradiction, because it is not giving you 0, it is not giving you 1, it is giving you the expression in terms of variable. Who was asking question, how it is possible, ma'am? Is this clear now? Someone was asking, Raj Lakshmi, how it is possible other than 0 and 1? Other than 0, 1, like this. You can get a answer in terms of variable, and it is mostly coming. Most of the time you will get in terms of variable, because you cannot simplify more. There is no way to simplify more. It is the last simplification. After that you cannot simplify more, and that is called contingency or satisfiability. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes. Is this clear? Okay, now do this. Try to do this. Okay, Raj Lakshmi, good. This one and this one both. Question number 1 and question number 2 both you have to do. Give me, if one is done then you can do 2. If one is done then you can try 2. I am getting answer. Muthamil, Lekka, NK, Ramaya, Vanita, Kaveri, Deepa, Bhuvana, Bhavani, Manish, Lakshmi, Manikam. So do the option answer, do the 2 also. Question number 2 also do it. Answer both. Question number 2 also. Okay, Gomathi is giving both answer. Answer of 2. Question number 2 also do that. Okay, answers are coming. Yes. Option A for question number 1, option A is correct. Question number 2, option 4 is correct. So first of all, here whenever you are solving this, you can solve. See that first of all logically you can think P implies Q or R, and here it is given P and Q implies R. Is both are same? This both are not same. This both are not same. Definitely you can try with the expression also. You can think as a expression also, not P or Q or R implies this one will be P and Q, means you can think like that, not P. If you are thinking like this way, then also you can try. You will see that both are not coming same. Not P and Q or R. You can write like this way. Then try to solve it. Again you can think like that, it is P bar plus Q plus R. And this is coming what? Not P and Q, means it is P bar plus Q bar. Right? It will be P bar plus Q bar, I can write, because it will be in negation. It is actually P bar plus Q bar not. You can write using De Morgan's law. You can apply here De Morgan's law. But the De Morgan's law, what is De Morgan's law? Here it is PQ bar. PQ bar means what? P bar plus Q bar. That's why I applied here P bar plus Q bar plus R. So is this same? Here you can see P bar plus Q plus R, and here you can see P bar plus Q plus R. Is this same? Definitely it is not same. That's why it is not tautology. It is satisfiable but not valid. Definitely it is satisfiable. You can see that in terms of anything it will come. It will not come 1. Anyhow it will not come 1. And it is not a tautology. By looking this only you can see it is not a tautology. So it is satisfiable but not valid. Now here this one, whenever you are solving this one, equals to what? Try to solve this expression. easily you can solve it. Here you can always try to change it into Boolean algebra format, that will be easy for you. This is what P dot Q it is, and after that here was a bar, and then there was a whole bar. I can write like this. Then it is and, then here was a and. This one I can write what P bar dot Q bar. This is P bar, this is Q bar, this is dot, and then there is a whole bar. Then there is plus P dot R. It is actually like this. Now using, again I can use here the De Morgan's law. Using De Morgan's law I can write it P double bar plus Q bar. Then I can write this dot again. This one is P double bar plus Q double bar. Then here is the plus. I can do the plus. This one is a bracket was there. Then I can do the plus P R. This is coming. Now you can simplify it. Actually this double bar means I can erase this double bar. It is actually P bar. It is actually P. This is also actually P. This is also actually Q. Directly I have written in the next step. So in the next step I can see it will be like this. Now if you are multiplying them both, then it will be P plus P dot P, then PQ plus PQ bar plus Q dot Q bar, then plus PR as it is. Then you can see from everywhere I can see that here it is Q dot Q bar. Q dot Q bar means it is 0. So it will be P plus PQ plus PQ bar plus PR. So if I am taking common P, then it is 1 plus everything. 1 plus anything is always 1, and that will be P itself, and that's why your answer will be P here. This is the way you have to explore. Whenever you are exploring, whenever you are solving, definitely solve with your pen and paper. If you are not solving with your pen and paper, then this type of problem you cannot do. Too much practice is required. Very much practice is required. If you are practicing, then only you can solve in exam hall. Otherwise you cannot solve. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, clear. Chalo. So now I am ending the class. Practice it. Tomorrow I will come with the practice session of Boolean algebra and propositional logic together. This is very important. Tomorrow we will do the practice session of Boolean algebra and propositional logic together, because it is same. Because the expression ultimately we are changing and we are solving it. So if you are doing together, then your concept will be more clear. Okay, and must practice. I am telling you, must practice. If you are not practicing, then your concept will be never clear. You have to do your pen and paper practice. Must practice. You can see how much handwritten note I have. How much handwritten note I have. So I am preparing handwritten note. Always in the class I am solving. And you can see one thing, most of the question in my PDF, only question is there and answer is there. Explanation is not there. Most of the PDF, most of the question you will see, always question and correct answer is given, explanation is not given. Because always I prefer to explain in the class. Always I am solving in front of student. What is the benefit? Whenever I am solving in front of student, then it is more clear to you, and whenever I am solving with you, then it is my practice also. It's not like that I am teaching so I will forget everything will be written in the slide and I will just show that and I will move ahead. Definitely I can write this and it will be save my time. Within 1 minute I will show you the solution, I will go to the next question. But I did not prefer. I never prefer this. So every time, 1000 time if I am explaining by solving in the classroom. I always prefer to solve in the classroom because it is important. Whenever I am solving means you are getting more clear idea, right? And you are doing in this way. Ma'am, why previous question with not means? Previous question with not means? I am not getting. Gomati, previous question with not means? I am not getting. With not means? Your query is not clear. Whenever you are writing any query, try to be clear with it is not valid. It is not valid. Not valid means because it is not coming one, right? Not valid means what? It is not coming one. It is coming any other. Not valid. It is not coming one. It is not a tautology. They are not same. This part and this part is the same. They are not same. And if you are solving this, you will not get one. Anyhow, you will not getting one. And that's why it will be not valid. Okay, so bye everyone. I hope your concept is clear. I am doing slow way so that your concept will be very clear. I am trying to clear your concept from in depth. If your concept is clear, then only you can go ahead for the next step. And the math concept is very important concept, and that's why I am trying to clear your concept in depth. And this in depth concept is required. And practice is more important. Whatever question you did here, try to practice in your home, and tomorrow I will arrange a practice session. There we will practice more. Okay, chalo, bye everyone. Acha, one thing, today evening class I will be not able to take, so I can do one thing today. Around 3 p.m. after lunch or 5 p.m. I can arrange the class of the testing, because software testing is remaining. So either after lunch today 3 p.m. or 5 p.m. Are you interested to do 3 p.m. or 5 p.m.? 5 p.m. will be little bit late. I think 3 p.m. will be better. Evening I have an invitation, I have to go, that's why I cannot. But yesterday also I did not take class. Too much noise was going on yesterday because of Ganesh Chaturthi Visarjan. Ganesh Visarjan was there. Ganesh Niranjan was there. So 3 p.m. can I arrange the class? 3 p.m. or 3:30 I will after the lunch. Okay. Okay, so I am arranging that class of the software testing at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. I am arranging the class. Okay, yes, after the lunch we can do the class, then I will go after completion of the class. And today's class will be maybe little bit lengthy. Okay, bye everyone, bye. I am arranging it. Okay, bye, have a good day ahead. Yesterday paper 1, no, ma'am is little bit busy. Ma'am will take again Monday. Today also ma'am will not take class. She is little bit busy with some work, so she will take class again Monday. Paper 1 Monday she will take again. Today also she is little bit busy. Monday she will take again.